Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video, we're going to talk about living room color ideas. Choosing the right color for your living room can carry a bit more weight than other design decisions because it's a room that is so well used and often so multifunctional. Where the color palette in your bedroom can largely be dictated by soothing shades, or a small bathroom can be a spot for experimentation, a living room needs to support moments of relaxation, work and entertaining for the whole family. So, let's get started. The evolution of Scandi-inspired designs from cool and minimalist to cozy and cocooning informs an array of new, warmer neutrals. One of the joys of this color palette is its susceptibility to natural light. Uplifting pink and green undertones can be revealed over the course of the day, only to modulate into warming peaches and yellows at night, perfect for a living room that gets used at all hours. Blue has some Regency connotations that lend themselves to decorating dramatic spaces with an old meets new quality. The brass and mustard yellows are a brilliant partner, and a third match here would be a postbox red. Note that this living room benefits from a lot of natural light, which helps to lift the deep indigo blue on the walls. Colors found on opposite sides of the color wheel, like red and green, are known as complementary colors because they have a high contrast between them. A bright red and green combination would be quite saturated and vibrant, so mauve and sage mix is a nice muted variation on the theme. There's an abundance of botanical references in light and airy living room. The crisp apple green makes the perfect companion to accents of fuchsia and the pale browns of jute and rattan. These are a great example of how to introduce color without splashing it across the walls. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Usually considered as clashing pair, pink and red sit close to one another on the color wheel and so can work harmoniously in a living room when shades are chosen correctly. A vivid pink and bright red combination can appear highly saturated and overwhelming, but softening your pink tones lets a fiery red stand out. We love the paint effect that creates a clever faux wall panel. The grey greige is often favored over a true grey for its capacity to warm up a design scheme. Greige is usually the best of both worlds, combining the cooler tones of grey with the warming nature of beige, therefore creating a really serene spot. The green of the tree is an important styling element here, as it prevents the living room from looking washed out. The versatility of green makes it a bit of a gift in interior design, but doesn't make it easier to narrow down your choice of color combination. If you're lucky enough to have ample wood tones in your home, like living rooms, it makes for an instant pairing. Note the textured finish on the walls that is picked up so beautifully in a flood of natural light. The 70s are really having a moment in interior design with the laid-back styling, natural materials, and earthy tones of the era creating something relaxed and homey. Dark woods, especially wood-clad feature walls, shaggy rugs and lacquered furniture are favored for their retro references. Pink has been slowly creeping back into interiors. Dulex's color of the year is a soft blush, hastened only by the popularity of the Barbie movie. But the real world takes it far more moderate, favoring a whisper soft rose and natural clay. In terms of application, pink is a natural partner to white painted woods and organic textures like a linen or stone, which can moderate some of its sweetness. A dark on dark color palette can be a daunting choice in a space you use so regularly, but it works particularly well if you have lots of interesting architectural details like fireplaces, wall paneling or cornicing. They will catch the light and create some lovely highlights and shadows. A clever design device that prevents dark colors from looking flat. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.